I like cryptocurrencies a lot less than you do. And so, to me, it's just dementia. And I think the people who are professional traders that go into trading cryptocurrencies, it's just disgusting. It's like somebody else is trading turds and you decide I can't be left out.
Shut the noise up.
Give me music, 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 music. The later doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The later doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller. The later doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The later doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller.
The signal is the truth. The noise is what distracts us from the truth.
The later doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The later doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller. The later doctor, he's growing on ya. His lines are insane, he's your crack and dopamine dealer. The later doctor, the crypto doctor. He's got what you need, he's your vitamin to painkiller.
Good evening, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to Bitcoin, altcoins, all coins, meme coins, any kind of coins. Evening stream. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Wanela is first in the chat. How you doing, man? What's up? Solacard, you second, and somebody here as well. Hello, bro. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. As you can see, guys, this is members only, TA Flans community only live stream. So, we're gonna look at altcoins. So, you better give me something to look at because I really don't know what to look at. Why is my camera all the way, kind of messed up? Should be a little bit down here, a little bit on the side, something like this, I think. Yeah, I don't know, a little bit, man, maybe a little bit over here to the side. There we go. Camera is fine. It's a web camera. Hope you guys doing well. Members still have to smash the like button, guys. Members still have to smash the like button. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Altcoins are pumping. I just came home for work and I was like, do I want to make altcoin videos or do I want to have a, live stream with the, TA Fans Club? I think I want to do that. So we're going to check some altcoins. We're going to look how they're doing. We're going to talk about it. Member, 27 months. Danny, how you doing, man? Conflux. What is Conflux, man? You can check it out. I don't know whether we're going to start talking about Bitcoin or something else. But there is a nice channel up here. So I thought, look at the channel, guys. Look at the channel. It is a nice channel. So there is that. XRP Legend is in the chat as well. Hey, everybody. Hey, XRP Legend. What's up, man? XRP is not doing that well so far. 2% up. I mean, it's just kind of, zigzagging over here. It's getting ready. I mean, this is definitely, going towards upside, but it's kind of, zigzag up here. Over here, it does look like it's breaking out a little bit over here towards upside. So we need to wait a little bit more, but it's getting ready, guys. It is getting ready. So even XRP up here, see, so up here, it, came out of the box, consolidated, big pump towards the downside. Right now it's getting out of it. I think it's gonna go, guys. I think XRP is gonna go soon. What coins are doing well? I don't know. I saw Jupiter was doing well. Unfortunately, I don't have any Jupiter, but I did try to trade Jupiter and got liquidated on the trade. Out of everybody, everybody's longing everything, everybody's getting, these big gains. Everybody's expert in the bull market, and here come I trying to trade Jupiter and I get liquidated. Jupiter ups 28%. This is Solana's deck, so of course when Solana pumps, you know, everything goes up. Solana is actually doing well, 12% up right now. Still not out of the bigger channel, but it is out of outside of this small channel over here. So you see this small channel up here that's been climbing up here. Right now it's breaking through that. It hit the resistance on the dollar. So what we are actually waiting for Solana right now is for this move actually to break towards upside. So you can see up here, if you look around bigger time frames, Solana had a big move towards upside over here. And exploded towards upside up here, created this very nice channel that we've been watching for a very long time right now, and right now it is looking to get out of that. Now guys, here's the important part about Solana. Once this breaks towards upside, Solana is gonna kick the butt of everything, and it's gonna go to the all-time high. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? You don't believe me that Solana is gonna go to all-time? Guys, there's empty space over here. There is empty space on the chart. This over here is what we call empty space. And right now the next resistance is only up here at 210 or something like that. Over here. So right now we are looking at 208, give or take, for Solana. Yes, all-time high is at 259, but closing above 208, that's good. That's good stuff. So Solana does look indeed, in fact, very nice. It is still very much bullish. These wicks on the downside, these liquidity wicks over here, this paper hands selling, getting people out of the market, that were very important for altcoins right now. And I saw, we saw that once we had the big dump, we had an emergency stream, guys. We had an emergency stream. Don't panic. Everything is good and dandy in the world of TI fans club. So there's that. Right now over here, I see up here, it's getting close. It's getting very close to breaking towards upside. Not outside yet, but as soon as it's outside, you will find that in our member only videos over here. And if you haven't joined the green names, guys, if you haven't joined the green name, the TA fans club, it's not TLA fans club, it's just TA fans club, because we like technical analysis, we like the lines. We do daily altcoin videos over here, so you're welcome to join. We also have evening member streams only, so you guys can ask me about altcoins. It's all the good stuff. The bull markets come up, It's really hard to figure out, what's gonna go up, what's not gonna go up, but we do follow a whole bunch of coins, and we talk about them in the altcoins daily over here. And after this live stream, I have to make altcoins daily because today I didn't do that. XRP Ledger, what's up, man? The blue ball, what coins are doing well? A lot of coins. We're gonna check them out. TLA, when will you resume your trading videos in the bear market? Once this bull market is off, I will resume the trading, because during the bear market, nobody cares about, will my altcoin go up? No, but people care about trading. So the trading will definitely come back at one point, and we will be trading during the bear market as soon as this is over. But that's like 3 to 6 months to 9 months, 1 year, give or take. But right now, altcoin videos all the way, pump, up. People are not so much interested in trading as they are interested in, what altcoins am I gonna buy if I want 10x, 20x, 100x and stuff like that, right? Okay, so let's check out actually what's actually happening with altcoins. First of all, again, Bitcoin is doing very well. There is actually nothing wrong with Bitcoin. It's actually looking fantastically well, regardless of the time frame. And we are very happy bunch of hodlers. So there's that. Wizard Cell says Conflux. I love the lines. There you go. Wizard Cell wants us to look at Conflux. I don't know what it is, but what do you want to know, man? What do you want to know about Conflux? Conflux, that is actually coin. It's on KuCoin, guys. By the way, guys, below the video, there is 2 links to 2 exchanges, Bybit and KuCoin. I use those, and I really like KuCoin. And if you use my affiliate link to join KuCoin, you get like 20% off on your fees. And if you buy KuCoin token, you can get additional 20% off of that. So it's all good stuff, just good stuff. And you support my channel, of course. So thank you for that. But it is on KuCoin. We're gonna check it out. Oh, look at a parabolic move up here. It's actually breaking towards upside. This actually looks very good. This on the daily time frame. I don't know what this is, but it does look indeed, in fact, very nice, very nice. So we got a very nice channel up here. Right now, this channel is actually going a little bit steeper up here towards upside. And it is breaking towards upside as well. This actually looks very good. I really like this chart. I really like the chart. I don't know where it's gonna go, something like this over here. It does look like it's over here. So it is at resistance level right now, but it is curving very nicely. It is curving just like Solana. It's hitting resistance, trying to break up here. But you can see how this bottom channel has been actually following that. Right now it's just doubling up here towards upside. It came up here, had a big dump towards support level, right back up there again, bullish engulfing candle. Right now going to the resistance level. As soon as this starts breaking up here towards upside, this is gonna go. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna check out Conflux market cap. 90, oh, god damn, I was hoping this is gonna be like some kind of random coin that we can buy, but it's a 1.3 billion market cap, so not very interesting for me right now, but it does look very good. I don't know what Conflux. Oh, this is CFX, sorry about that. So this is CFX. Conflux is CFX. We've been talking about Conflux in our daily videos for a couple of days now. Not this one. Where is it? Not this one. Over here. Well, in this altcoin, remember we've been talking about CFX for a while now. We've been looking at it for a while, and let me show you over here. Where is it? I got another chart up here. There is the chart. So there is chart. It's a little bit different than over here, but it's already outside of that move. And right now, just doing that doubling move towards upside up here, right at the resistance level. But we drew it a little bit better over here. What is it? Is this the same chart? CFX and Conflux. Is this the same chart? Conflux. Wait, is this the same chart? Weekly. Because this is on Binance. And this is on Qcoin. But on Qcoin looks so much better though. This chart actually looks so much big. I didn't see immediately, the same chart, but the chart actually looks a lot better. Look at this curve over here. Oh, that. Look at that curve, man. Look at this curve over here towards upside. This actually looks a lot better than this chart over here, but it is breaking towards upside, right? So we've been drawing something like this over here. We've been waiting for a breakout. The breakout already happened last week over here. And right now I had a little bit pullback, but it is the same chart, right? It is the same chart, give or take, right? Breakout and pullback towards up. It's already going. It's already going. Right now, what's doing is just doubling the channel towards upside over here somewhere, right? So it's doubling the channel towards upside over here. You can see also on the weekly time frame up here. Try to break that. Let's go to the daily time frame up here. It is looking very good. It is looking very good. And it was one of these coins that we also talked about in members videos about they are going, they are breaking out, and right now it might actually do very nice moves. So this actually looks very good. So Wizard sell Conflux, that's your Conflux. I think it's doing well. But guys, if you want me to look at a chart, some kind of chart, tell me what you want to know. Small time frames, big time frames, targets, resistance levels, how high this is gonna go during the movement. Like, ask me what you think, because I'm looking at charts. So we look up, open random chart. This is what do you want to know about near? Well, tell me what you want to know. Is it out of the accumulation phase? Is it doing something special? So Anchor is doing well today. Let's check out Anchor. Nothing special, but guys, post in the chat, because I really don't have any kind of plan. What kind of altcoins we're gonna look at during right now. I just came kind of home. I still have my dinner downstairs that I have to attend to afterwards. So, but Anchor, where is Anchor? I do have Anchor on my list over here. There is Anchor, 16.4% right now. Mate, Polkadot. Densite wanna see Polkadot. The beauty's in the chat. What's up, man? How you doing? Densite, Polkadot. Yeah, we're gonna check Polkadot. But Anchor is also one of these coins that broke towards upside up here right now. And it broke like what, and right now it's actually breaking all of the resistance level up here towards upside. So it's getting out of the accumulation zone. And I do understand that a lot of people are panicky about what is happening with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is gonna go down. But we look at altcoins every day. Like, I got over here a whole bunch of coins. Let me show you up here. I've got a whole bunch of coins over here, and we look at these coins every day. And even more than that, I got several lists over here. We look at these coins every day, and the only thing that I'm actually seeing on altcoins, guys, is they are getting ready. You think the altcoins had a big pumps? Just wait, guys. Just wait. Just wait to see the big pumps. I mean, if you think the pumps are big now, you just wait. They are just getting out of these accumulation zones over here at the bottom. So if you zoom out a little bit, this is the bottom accumulation zone over here on the downside. Let me just remove a little bit light. You see down here? This is just starting, guys. This is just starting. We are just getting out of these accumulation zones on all of the coins. I mean, there are a couple of coins that I want to talk about. I'm going to talk about in members' videos that are actually quite crap. And I'm going to tell you why. But, 99% of the coins that are actually good are actually getting out of this zone just right now. And, thinking that for whatever reason Bitcoin is at top, is going to drop down for us. No, altcoins are going to pump like crazy, guys. Like crazy. The question is just how high. That's it. That's the only question we have for altcoins. How high we gonna pump? Polkadot. What do you want to know about Polkadot, man? Tell me what you want to know. I'll look at it, but you gotta tell me what you want to know. Like, what you want to know about Polkadot. Is it good? Is it bad? Where is Polkadot? I got two over here. So I can tell you right now that, we are not really interested in coins that haven't broken out, but it is very close to breaking out over here. Okay, man, then I have a question for you. Which of the top 25 coins will make the most gains? If I knew that, I'd be rich. Which of the top 25 coins? Okay, let's do that. But Polkadot is not interesting just yet because we are waiting until they get out over here. So Polkadot is doing well, but the big moves come as outside of this channel, and the channel is not very interesting just yet. I mean, it can still pump, but it needs to get out. And we are waiting to get out because we are not buying Polkadot at bottoms, we are not buying it down here at the bottoms. Right now, we are just looking for the coins that are actually gonna go ballistic. So that's actually very interesting. But let's do that. Let's look at coin market. Let's look at 25 coins, and we're gonna start from the bottom up and go towards the upside. So you got a Filecoin up here, and this, so everything starts from 5 billion market cap. So I don't know actually what Filecoin does. So I cannot actually go for that. That is a stablecoin, Cosmos, Atom, a little bit unsure about that, but it doesn't have any kind of flashy stuff. So, it doesn't have NFTs or anything like that. So, not really interesting. So I don't think retail, knows these things over here. Near Protocol actually is, people understand that, later on change and stuff like that. I think Near Protocol is going to do good, but it's already like 5 billion market cap. But I think Near Protocol is going to do well. Ethereum Classic is interesting and it pumps. Unfortunately, who uses Ethereum Classic? But, a lot of people might buy Ethereum Classic just because it has Ethereum in the name. So there is that. So I think Ethereum Classic always pumps because of Ethereum, because everybody buys because, it has the Classic in the name. Litecoin. ICP, no way. Litecoin, ICP, no way. Bitcoin Cash, no. Uniswap doing good, but still just DEX. So, I don't know how DEXs are gonna perform. I mean, low cap DEXs might perform well, but this is, high cap DEX. Toncoin, no clue what this does. Polygonmatic, I'm a little bit, on the. I don't think this is gonna perform that well. It did perform well before, and I still think it's gonna be around for a long time. Unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna pump that much. Chainlink up here is doing well, and I'm a little bit unsure of. Tron is actually one of the best charts in crypto right now. Unfortunately, it's a slow pumper. Polkadot, 30 billion market cap. Again, Polkadot and Avalanche, I really don't know much about it, but there are chains and stuff like that. Now, we come to the, really, really good stuff up here. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. It's gonna be one of those two. So I don't think none of these 25 are gonna outperform Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Unfortunately, I don't think they're gonna outperform, and the reason for that is because retail, when retail gets here, they buy anything with a cute dog face or cat face or stuff like that. So I think one of these two coins is gonna do well. Maybe Shiba Inu might be that. Avalanche, Polkadot, very stable chains, so they might perform well. But Cardano is very, when it comes to Cardano and versus Avalanche, Polkadot or Matic or something like that, right? I know right now I'm mixing L2 and L1s, but it doesn't matter. But Cardano is really popular with these hipster guys, hipster crypto party guys, like guys that are into NFTs, and they like the community, like they are big on NFT on Cardano. So I think Cardano is gonna play out well. Stablecoin, XRP, no way. Solana is doing well. Solana might have a good chance right now, but right now it's number 5. So how much upside can it actually has? right? And the further we get to the up to the list, you know, the less upside it has. So this over here, so even if it goes 100% towards upside, it's like 120 million market cap. Well, if you go to the, you know, 25 on the list down here, it costs only a 5 billion market cap, stuff like that, right? But Solana is, you know, right now ripping through, and I think it's gonna continue. So you got a BNB, I think it's, you know, it's gonna definitely go higher, but I don't think it's gonna perform that well because, you know, there are new fish in town, you know. There are new fish in town. Stablecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are gonna perform. But which of these is gonna get the biggest gains? So I don't think, even though I think Solana is gonna, you know, do well, I don't think it's gonna get the biggest gains because it's such a high market cap right now, 65. Cardano, you know, for Cardano to get to the Solana's levels, you know, it needs to 3x from wherever it is right now, and then, you know, another, so maybe someone's kind of 6x towards upside right now from where it is. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, now these two, even though they have a high market cap, they can actually pump a lot because you know how this thing goes, right? Last time Dogecoin had 78 billion market cap. So, you know, will it, you know, pass, you know, 100 billion market cap this time? Because once the hype hits and euphoria hits, this thing just goes through the roof. So maybe this is gonna do like 5x, something like that. And below down here, like Avalanche, Polkadot, even Tron, I think Tron should actually pump even more than it actually does. I don't think you guys know, but ever since, you know, the bear market on the bottom, I've been saying Tron is actually very, very good. Like if you look at a chart of Tron, it is actually very, very good. So maybe some of these, you know, if you go down here, Falcon, Cosmos, I think, you know, Near Protocol is only like 5 billion market cap. So out of the 25 coins, maybe, you know, biggest gains, I think that's gonna be Near. You know, don't shoot the messenger, but you know, Near Protocol is you know, pretty stable, and it is kind of known, but it is, you know, only have 5 billion market cap. So I don't know. You know, Matic last time did well. I don't see that much, you know, interest in Near Protocol, but when it pumps a lot, right? And it's gonna stay here for a while, right? But when it comes to the charts, I think Tron actually has a very good chart. Like it is just so bullish. Like I've been seeing Tron since over here towards the downside over here, right? And I was telling everyone like this thing actually looks very, very good. Like legitly good. And even this move towards upside, I was like, it's breaking towards upside. This over here is just consolidation. Right now, even breaking towards upside, right? So it is going towards upside. Now, how much, you know, upside can you have? I don't know, but you know, this chart, you know, Tron has been looking good so far, so long, so good. I need something bullish to do 1x only. Already made on CFX. Oh, nice. You need something bullish. I don't know what that's gonna be, but I can actually definitely look at coins that you asked me to do. Good. How you walk through the coins now? Nice. What about Bone? It was bullish before. Is there a chance for it? Bone. Is this a meme coin? Bone on Shiba Swap. What is Bone? Shiba Swap. Well, it's not a pump and dump coin because it has this very nice, you know, curvatures towards upside. Is this Bone? Is this the one, Bone Shina Swap? Is this the thing? I don't know what this is, but you know, is this the thing? Am I looking at the right thing? That's what I want to know. If I'm not looking at the right thing, then I don't know. Bone Shina Swap. Let's check that on the coin market up here. Bone. There's two Bone. There is more than two Bone, but these are not trades. It's on Bone Shiba Swap. Shiba Swap. Is Bone, what is Bone? I don't know what Bone is. Shiba token. Shiba Inu token. SHIB token, Bone token, Leash token. They got a lot of tokens. By Leash, by Bone, by SHIB. I don't know. But it is definitely meme token. Safety guide. That's funny. That's funny, guys. Safety guide on Shiba Inu's, you know, front page is funny. I don't think if you will get it, but it is funny. It is definitely funny. Now, it has a very nice resistance level up here. Just throwing, you know, random lines up here at the top. Give or take, up here, give or take. It's not out of that yet, right? So, when will it get out? I don't know. How much market cap does this thing has? Bone. 230 billion market for a Bone token. What? Leash. Dodge Leash. Is this the one? 74 million market. I think this is the one as well, right? Yeah, that's the one. So they got 3 tokens: Shiba token, Bone token, and Leash token. I don't know what these things do, guys. I don't know. I'm just like you right now. I'm just looking at nice pictures, but I'm seeing that, you know, Leash token has less market cap, and you know, this started May up here, so you know, of course it's gonna go down, but right now it's going up. So I think we should check out Leash token as well, because this over here is right now starting pumping up here from the bottom. It's up 100%, you know, so maybe they're gonna do well. Let's check out Leash, but there is no Leash anywhere. You cannot buy a Leash on your Shiba swap. Bone, you can buy to Maxi and OKX. I don't know. Mladen is in the chat. The diamond hands guy. How you doing, man? Post some nice charts in Telegram chat and I'll show it to the people. It's part of the Shiba Inu eco. It is the gas fee of Shiba Inu. Oh, it's gas fee. Okay, I don't know how, you know, how interesting that is, but you know, it's called Bone, it's called Leash, and Shiba, and you know. So if Shiba pumps, ecosystem pumps, you know, but how much? You know, these are the big questions you gotta ask yourself, right? So guys, is there anything else you want me to look at? Dein Water Junga, new member, welcome to your fans club, man. Thank you for joining. And as a welcoming gift, you get to pick the coin. How you doing, man? Nice of you, nice of you. Guys, anybody else want to join? You're welcome to do that. You know where the link is. You're not stupid. You're a smart guy. You can figure it out. If you can figure out how, you know, the wallets work, how crypto works, you can figure out how to join the TA fans club, guys. There we go. But I can show you some coins, maybe. Maybe we can just look at something that's pumping, like Phantom. Phantom is pumping right now, and it's out of the, you know, channel, and right now it's pumping. So it is very, very normal. Hey, I'm a Chia farmer. Want to hear your opinion. Today was happening. Hey, I'm a Chia farmer. Hey, I'm a Chia farmer. Want to hear your opinion. Today was having. I'm not quite sure what you just said there. So if somebody can help me there. Chia farmer. Is there a coin called Chia farmer? Chia. No, there isn't. XCH is the coin. Wow, XCH. Chia network. Never heard about this. Let's check it out. Well, it is down by a bunch from wherever it goes. Wow, this looks like ICP, guys. Is this ICP? You remember ICP? ICP was also up here at, you know, 700 bucks or something like that and just dropped down. Wow, this probably has some kind of really, really low market cap. Let's check that out. So, Chia, XCH, Chia. This is actually a really high market cap, 139 on the market cap. What is Chia? See this is the problem, right? See this? I'm trying to educate you guys, right? I mine it since 3 years. Today was halving. Oh, today is the halving of Chia. You mined with a hard drive. Okay, I did not know that. But I got a problem with the coin. I'm gonna tell you because, you know, I'm a little bit honest. I really don't care about you know, these coins. Now, there is one big problem on this site. I always tell people, when you go to the site of a coin, there is one thing you should look at, because you gotta understand that the front page of the coin is the presentation of their technology, of what they are behind. You know, but when they have, you know, buy my coin on the front page, that's a really, really sketchy sign, guys. That's a sketchy sign. Okay? So I really don't like that. You know, if you go to the page of, you know, Chainlink or something like that, or Polkadot or Matic, they don't have, you know, buy Matic on the front page. No, they use that front page to present the technology, the protocol, to get in investors. You know, investors are gonna find out how to buy your coin. But when there is, you know, buy my coin on the front page, that's kind of shady. I mean, that's the stuff that, you know, you know, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have on their front page. Meme coins. Meme coins, the entire page is buy me here, buy me there. This is how you buy. This explanation of buying this on the road path. On the road path, you should buy here. You know, that's the entire page. CHE, it's the coin. I mined since 3 years. They was happening. You mined with a hard drive. It's the coin of Gene Hoffman and Bram Cohen, the guy who built BitTorrent. Do these guys have anything to do with the Tron? Because Tron bought BitTorrent. Low market cap coin, gamer coin, it's called old GMR. Is this GMR? No, it cannot be this one. Oh no, sorry, I'm reading. That's XRP Legend. Low market cap coin, gamer coin is called GMR. Yeah, this is something else. America altcoin to a new one. Okay, let me see up here. So they had actually 2.4 million market cap, 2.4 million. Yeah, this is really low market cap coin. Website up here. Connect wallet up here. I don't know what it does. Yeah, it's really raw. I don't know what's gonna do, but I did hear about GMR. Now, let's look at the chart of this thing over here. So, you know, what happened previously really does matter. What happened previously really does matter. What does matter is down here, what's happening right now, because that's gonna tell us whether it's gonna pump or not, right? So we just care what's happening right now, and we also care about, you know, major levels of resistance and stuff like that, because you see up here it just dumped down like so much because, you know, whatever reasons, right? And this thing does actually have any kind of resistance level. There's only one resistance level that's major resistance level. You can go to the weekly time frame up here to find several other of these resistance levels up here, down here as well. Probably these bottoms up here and then these tops up here at the top. So there are a couple of resistance level towards the upside up here, 270 up here just to get a top up here through that resistance. That's like 360. But the most important part up here is happening right now down here. So this over here is the accumulation zone. Outside the accumulation we go. There is also a channel down here that's also very you know, normal for everything. So this right now going outside of the channel is going to double up here. The next target up here is breaking 65. It does look nice because I've seen coins that are not actually doing this and this actually doing that, which is actually very good, and it is going towards the upside. And I should assume there is nothing wrong with the chart as well, because sorry, indicators, but we don't have a lot of indicators up here on the chart. Over here it just climbing towards the upside because it fell down so much. Let's see up here right now. Weekly is only sitting at 80 levels up here, and MACD up here is climbing slowly towards the upside. So the chart looks good. I don't know what it is, but it is going towards the upside. And once it actually breaks up here the 65, the next major level of resistance is 89 or 142 or something like that. But, you know, it's really hard to say, you know, whether this is going to actually break towards the upside or you know, how high this is going to go, because you never know. You never know with these kind of coins. You know, we don't actually follow Chia or whatever Chia is. So, you know, can't say that. It's called Gamer. Yeah, GMR, Gamer Coin. Peter! Finally you made it. I finally buckled. Yeah, I knew. That's why I do this member stream, because I know at the end they all come. They all come. That's very nice, man. That's very nice. And of course, since you are a new guy here, since you are the new guy, the welcoming gift, you gotta pick the coin. Enjoy the emojis, man. Thanks for joining. Thanks for the support. I do appreciate that. So over here above 65 or something like that, 89, 142. All of these are major resistance level. Now it depends on, you know, how high this is gonna go, right? So from the bottom down here, from the very bottom down here, you know, 10x, where is 10x? Always look at 10x up here. 10x something up here, but let me go to the monthly time frame over here. It's actually over here. So 10x is around, you know, $240 or something like that from the bottom, give or take. That's also a major level of resistance. So that's not it. I can choose coin now. You can look at. Yeah, now you can choose the coin. Now you can choose the coin. Now we had this thing before, because right now it's just member stream, so, you know, all green names can just, you know, tell me which coins I'm gonna look at, so, you know, that's fine. But, you know, before, when we had everybody in the chat, I said, this was in the previous bull market, I said we had this thing where, you know, if you join TF Fans Club, you get to pick the coin, right? But I mean, everybody can pick the coin. But yeah, you can pick the coin. Boson Protocol, let's check that out. I don't know what Boson Protocol is. Boson Protocol, it's on Qcoin, guys. There is affiliate link down below, because I do like Qcoin. So if you need that exchange, there is that. Oh, this looks actually nice. It is getting above, so this is monthly time frame, and a monthly time frame, it is right now getting above the resistance, but on weekly time frame, is it out just yet out of this highs? No, it's just coming up there right now. But does it look good? Is it ready to pump? and it does not. It does look like over here it's kind of ready, but it's not quite there yet. This on the weekly time frame, so it still haven't broken the resistance. So these two are I mean, there is a confluence up here between the previous top up here and the resistance level over here right now. So it needs to break that. You can see up here it did try 2 times to break the resistance level. I don't know whether it's gonna do that. Nice website. Real world asset and e-commerce are NFTs. That's Boson Protocol. Let's check it out. I don't know what Boson Protocol is, but you know. First of all, Boson Protocol. 688 on the list. Ooh, this is nice. You know, do you know what I hope? I hope it doesn't have on the front page, doesn't have buy Boson Protocol, buy my coin. You know, I hope it doesn't have that, buy Boson, you know. 40 million market, that's nice. Let's go to the website over here and see that. Please don't have buy my coin. They got staking, that's fine. Technology community, sell with Boson. I don't know what I'm gonna sell. Unload part of this and web in reverse. Okay, they don't have that. That's good. That's good. How it works, book a demo, that's good. They got some commerce. Okay, you know, token what? Tokenization of real world assets, good, good, everything is fine. NFTs with superpowers, fine. There is no, you know, build with Boson, that's fine. They seem legit. Oh, wait, I think I saw something. Boson is the native utility of protocol. The Boson token is core economic unit, blah. Okay, so we understand. If I press over here, do I get to buy my Boson stuff? The core economic unity of Boson tokens, blah, blah, blah. Governance, fees, fine. All fine. Incentive, fine. Earn, fine. Apply for funding, join the community. Get it? You can buy and sell Boson for fiat and other currency and multiple transfer exchange. But they don't have a link for that. It's good. I liked it. It's fine. It's in my book, it's fine. Boson is fine in my book. Do you know why? Because it doesn't have, you know, buy my coin on the front page. Not only that, right now, it is very, very low. 40 million coin, which is, you know, very, very low cap. It's you know, one of these real world assets coins, which I think I'm a little bit unsure whether that's gonna be in this bull market or next bull market. You never know with these things. On the other hand, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. That's good. That's good. On the other hand, it does actually look very, very nice. So right now, it is up how much from the bottom up here? I should assume like 300%. Yeah, 300% up from the bottom because it's 40 million market cap coin. But we are waiting for this move up here towards upside. Now, it did pump right now over here from the bottom towards top like 50%, but it's only hitting the resistance level, right? So look on the daily time frame. This look, you know, follow this channel on the daily time frame up here. Just open trading view and follow channel. And you can see up here, it's already, you know, broken towards upside and wanted to go, but you know, Bitcoin pulled everything down again and it still haven't broken that towards upside. But look for when this you know, this starts going towards upside up here. It's gonna go, man. It's gonna go. The question is how high, right? A 40 million market cap coin, and it all depends on this. I should probably put this on the list. You know what? I'm gonna put this on list. Boson list. Boson Protocol, it's on Qcoin, so I like that, and we're gonna put it in our real world assets list up here. So we got 3 coins up here in our real world assets coins. We got something called Rio, GFI, and Boson. Now Rio or Rayo or whatever this is called, and GFI, that's Captain told me about these coins. They look okay, I don't know. And right now I have Boson as well, so that's good. Wow, Ria is actually pumping 30 outside of the channel, which is very nice. Ria is also a low market cap coin. Another one bites the dust. Mike, welcome to the TF Fans Club. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis. You get to pick the coin, and we got also a public Telegram group. You can join that. So there is that. Where is it? Where is the link up here for a public Telegram group? You know, do join that. How you doing, Mike? Nice that you buckled as well. Hi Tila, how are you, bro? My friend has a question for you. If you count forward from every bull run, the next run has been on the 4th year. This time it's on the 3rd year. You are very correct. Does he believe it's possible that this run is really short term because of the halving and the true bull run will come next year? Or does he think this is the full run? So that's a very good question because, by the way, just let me be finished with this over here. Boson does look good. It needs to break up here towards upside. It is low market cap coin. It does look, you know, it does have a legit website. So, you know, that's as much as I can tell you about fundamentals of a coin. But it does look... $5 and I'm happy. There you go. I mean, $5, it's like nothing. And you know, you support the channel, you get be part of the TA Fans Club. So there is that. Now, this is actually a very good question. So about the bull run. Thank you, bro. I'm good, thanks. Could you look at Cetus protocol, please? Yes, we can, man. We will look at that. But first, let me just go through the Bitcoin over here, because it is interesting thing over here. And I'm going to show you up here. So the entire boom, let's look at this on logarithmic chart, because we're not going to draw any kind of lines. If I, there we go. This logarithmic chart is also going to go on the weekly time frame, so you can see entire chart and see the what's happening, right? Also, we're going to clean this up. We're gonna put the logarithmic chart up here, and we're gonna also add an indicator up here called halvening, Bitcoin halvening events. That's what we're gonna add, so we can see where the halvenings are, and we're gonna add another line up here. And that's April 15th up here. That's the next halvening. So what you're gonna see here on the chart, and this is how we analyze the chart. I mean, everybody does this, right? And there is other way, different ways like how you can actually do this. But basically, from the halvening towards the top up here, give or take something like that. That is the where we expect the bull market to come to an end, right? And you can do this for the other ones as well. Over here, the bull market came to end over here, so you can see right now where the lines are actually, coming up here from over here to over here. And the last one actually lasts a lot longer, all the way up here towards, but you can say that, it lasts this far over here. So we're just gonna put over here exactly as the first one over here, right? So right now, the thing that we have over here is, the bull run box, where we think the bull run is gonna top out, right? I mean, this is the theory, right? I mean, it doesn't have to be that way, but when we analyze the chart, we just look at random different stuff. And what you're gonna notice over here is that, in the, April 2025, all the way somewhere to September 2025, that is when we should actually technically, hit the bull market top. Now, we are already at all-time high before the halvening, right? And you can see prior to that, we actually hit not all-time high, but we hit previous highs after the halvening, okay? So over here, you can see up here, first we have the halvening, and then we go to the top and then break towards the upside. We have a halvening, go to the top, and then break that towards the upside. But this time around, we are only up there. So the big question is, I'm going to have something like this over here where we go towards the upside and pull back, and then at one other point break towards the upside, or is we just going to, continue going towards the upside over here? Now, here's my theory, because we have been saying that, this box up here, first half, second half of the of 2025, somewhere in the middle, right? That's when the bull market should come to some kind of ending. But since this is going extremely fast towards the upside, the big question is when the when the top is in. Now, we don't actually know that, but we got some kind of lines that we do draw on the chart. And what you're gonna see up here, technically we can actually go sideways up here and still hit the box over here, right? We can go sideways up here and still hit the box. Unfortunately, because of this sideways movement over here, we got another line on the chart right now. That's right now increasing the speed towards the upside, and the line goes something like this over here. So we can still technically hit it over here, but then we have to go inside this, move towards the upside. As soon as the, move down here is broken, it's pretty much over. Now, since we are going this fast towards the upside over here, and we are already at all-time high right before the halvening, it could be so that this time is in fact very much different, and then we go towards the upside up here, to whatever number, and then continue going towards the downside. Now our target, and there's different reasons for that. Our target is around 90k, so we are very, very close to the top. And we also got a target 120 and 150k up here for whatever reason. There are reasons for that, but 150 up here, give or take. So you can see up here, I mean, if you're gonna hit these targets up here towards the upside, none of these kind of targets come to the box, right? Especially this 90 target comes, latest 90k. Latest at this summer over here, summer, and then you go towards downside. If you're gonna hit 95 or something like that, that can actually get prolonged until almost end of the year and towards downside. If you're gonna hit 120 up here, we are looking at December 2024, so that's gonna be 120k, and 150k can also go as far up here as March. But none of these lines are giving us right now. So the only way you can actually get to this box if you go above something like 200k or something like that towards the upside. I mean, we could go to 200k over here and pull back, but if you want to end the bull market inside the box, then this is the line, because this line up here cannot be broken towards that. I mean, technically it can be broken towards downside, but I just don't believe it's gonna be broken, because this looks like a parabolic move towards upside, and the only thing that I'm expecting right now is maybe a little bit more move towards upside, maybe kind of sideways move, and then a new trend line up here towards upside, where you're gonna increase the speed up here and eventually get some kind of top and pull back, right? I'm not saying it's gonna be up here or something like that, but you know, it might be something like this over here and then towards downside. I don't know, but you know, so whether we're gonna hit, you know, target in 2025, it does look less and less likely, because before it was looking very likely, because you know, we didn't pump this much, but now that we are going this fast towards upside, it looks, I think it looks less and less likely. Now, what he's saying that, you know, we might have some kind of top over here, and then have some kind of other top in 2025, where we hit that towards upside, you know, something like over here, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I don't believe in this kind of, you know, double top up here. What I do believe is that a lot of people might assume that we're gonna have this kind of top, and what we actually gonna have is some kind of move towards upside, where you have some kind of top, and then everybody thinks we're gonna go towards upside up here, and that's just this over here, right back down, right? So I think we might have something that looks like this over here, and then we start doing this move towards upside and just, you know, big dump towards downside. So when everybody thinks that, you know, we're gonna do this over here, we don't, and we just go down. So I don't believe in any kind of double top this time around. I think, you know, we need to, you know, make people believe something else. I think that answers this question, but you know, I cannot be quite sure about it. He believes that it's possible this run is really short term because of the halving, and the true bull run will come next year. So he doesn't believe this is the true bull run. Ask him if he has been looking at altcoins. I mean, altcoins are ready, man. Altcoins are gonna go, and when they go, they don't stop, man. Once altcoins go, they pump like hard. And has he been watching the, you know, retail news, you know, mainstream news? Does he see that they are talking about Bitcoin? The retail is coming. There is no coming, you know, there is no right now retail is gonna come in now, and then they're gonna come back in, you know, in 1 year's time. They come in once and that's it. They come in once, they lose money and they get out. That's what retail does. Okay, Mike wants me to check out. Where is your Mike? Where is your? Thank you, bro. I'm a good. Thanks, XRP legend. That lines. Ralph is in the chat. How you doing, man? Could you look at Cetus protocol? Yeah, let's look at Cetus protocol. So in next bear market, Bitcoin should not dip below 69, previous all-time high, right? No, this time around it dipped below 20, but you know, it could dip, you know, back below 50. It could dip below, you know, 40K as well. You know, we don't know, but you know, when we start going down, we're gonna know. But you know, right now it's hard to say. But you can see up here that, you know, this dip over here did come below these levels. Previously that didn't happen, right? Previously we never come even close, but right now we come in very, very close. So if you go up here, you know, you could have another, you know, 30K level Bitcoin. Now you might be laughing, oh, 30K level Bitcoin. Trust me, you can have 30K level Bitcoin. I'm not saying that's gonna happen. It's way too far ahead in time, but you know, it can happen. Thanks. I hope that answered the question. I'm a little bit unsure about that, but I'm losing faith in 2025 because that was the theory, and right now the theory is going out of the... I don't know what the saying is, but it looks like it's gonna be sooner. So I'm thinking right now maybe ending of 2024, summer, ending of 2024, something like that. You know, there's that. Let's check out Cetus protocol. Cetus OKX. It's on Qcoin. Cetus protocol Tether OKX is the same chart. Is this all the chart? Is this the entire chart of this Cetus thing? Let's check that out. Cetus is this entire chart. 776, 29 million market cap coin. Oh yes, that's entire chart. That's full chart. It's on Sui network. Probably some kind of layer 2 built on Sui. Yeah, so probably layer 2 or layer 3 or layer 15 or something like that. Swap or build or peer remove, some kind of liquidity protocol. Okay, they don't have anything, you know, buy my stuff, so it's good. Yeah, might be legit. I don't know. Might be legit. They don't have buy my stuff. Maybe this theory about bear market lows not be below previous all-time high works only on alts. Alts go below previous all-time highs, man, all the time. I mean, not shitcoin alts. I don't know. But this is the entire chart. of C2's protocol. Now, first of all, I don't know what this is, so there is that, but it is increasing speed. Unfortunately, it's pulling back a little bit over here. So over here, it had a nice option over here, but right now it broke towards downside, which I don't know why. So it's not just going, parabolically towards upside just yet. Let's go, and this is, weekly time frame over here. Now it's pulling back to the resistance level. It's pulling back and retesting the support right now. So it might be actually, it's also creating this bottom down here, which is actually very, very nice. So there should be some kind of line over here. Let me try to figure it out. Over here, it goes up here, it goes down there. So the top line is important, the bottom line is not. Up here, it goes something like this. Is this nice? Almost looks nice, but not nice. Bottom up here, tops up here. I don't know, is midline nice over here? Midline is almost nice, goes something like this over here. Yeah, midline is nice, top side nice, bottom side, yeah, it looks legit. So this 3 day, 2 day, 1 day up here. This curvature up here is actually very, very nice over here, and right now this might be liquidity grab, and right now it goes towards upside. But I won't say anything about it. Let me look at a little bit, the indicators down here. First of all, we need to add indicators up here. So this right now just turning towards downside. It's breaking actually a little bit towards downside up here. Momentum is going towards downside as well. It broke the and got rejected by the move up here. Daily time frame. I don't know why it's getting rejected though. Oh, we are not only with me chart. What did I move the? There we go. I don't know. It's still in the channel, and so far it's actually good. So there's major resistance level up here at top, which it failed to break up here because once it came up there, so this 1 point whatever this 1.0.11, that's major level of resistance. It tried to break it up, it came up, it broke it, and right now it's pulling back again below that level. Now that doesn't have to be that big of a deal, but we got a couple more levels of support up here. That's this one and this one up here, and also these bottoms up here, and right now it is holding these levels on the downside, so it's just kind of zigzagging over here. But this uptrending channel should not actually break towards downside. Even worse is if it breaks below something like 0.76 or 0.69 or something like that. So it does look a little bit weak, but it's only when it looks weak that it goes towards the upside. Now we could look at it a small time frame, just see what this last part over here is doing, and to me it looks like some kind of expanding musical instrument, right? You can see this last part over here, and then there is this part over here, so it does look like it's expanding musical instrument. Now this might actually be very good because expanding musical instruments towards the downside has a tendency to break towards the upside. Now these are only wicks, so I'm gonna assume, since we are in the bull market and C2's protocol is a new coin, that it just might be that right now it's creating this bottom over here right now, somewhere in this box over here, give or take, and it's looking to break this move towards upside back above 0.11. So I think we need to wait a little bit because oftentimes you're a little bit unsure what's gonna do. But it had nice, start up here, it pulled back after initial, I don't know whether this was, airdrop or, idea or what this thing was. But it created, a support level down here, consolidated up here, got out of that, right now climbing towards upside, trying to break the resistance, right now just pulling back inside this expanding musical instrument towards downside. But it will actually break towards upside up here, you gotta give it a little bit time, Tashos, welcome to TI Fans Club. Another member, another one bites dust. I mean, EOS is pumping, give it some love. No way. Even the shitcoin is pumping. Hello, bull market. Exactly. I actually know. I know that EOS is pumping because I've been watching it, man. I've been watching it. So, but when EOS is pumping, you know it's gonna pump. Tashos, welcome to TI Fans Club. You gotta pick the coin. Tell me which coin. By the way, guys, this is gonna be the last coin because I am hungry and we've been streaming for 1 hour, so I wanna go eat and I gotta do stuff after this stream. I gotta look at other coins, so there is that. Tasha, thank you for joining, man. And pick the coin. Which coin do you want you to look at? What are we gonna look at? But this where is it? Let's go a little bit back up here. Yes, this CET stuff, I mean, I'm a little bit unsure about it because number one, I don't know anything about CETs, never heard about it. So, you know, I'm always skeptical about coins. And you know, new coins come out all the time, man. New coins come out all the time. I'm a little bit skeptical, but I need to see, you know, that it holds well on the support levels, right? Now it has been doing nice move up here to, you know, it did already find some kind of, you know, bottom over here, and it is rising about outside of that bottom. Right now, just, you know, curving up here. But I need to see some kind of, you know, bullish moves because this over here has just been climbing towards the upside. You know, kind of, you know, slowly towards the upside. Right now it's losing a little bit steam, so I don't know totally what's up with it. You know, this is the best I can do right now. I need to see, you know, some kind of movement up here to, you know, say that, you know, it does look strong, but because right now just, you know, pulling back. You're welcome. Okay, can you look at VNXM? Can you check Gala? Now, sorry Sumi, this is gonna be less. I can check Gala quickly, but what do you want to know about Gala? Tell me what you want to know about Gala. VNXM, what is this thing over here? It's on Binance. Oh, this actually looks, actually is a nice move up here. This is probably some kind of low market coin. This went from 5 to 90. This is like 10x already towards the upside. But this has really weird chart, so I'm guessing there is more chart up here because this is really weird, but it probably has to have more. VNXM. Glass node. I don't know. What is this? What is this? VNXM. Wrapped NXM. So this is NXM. NXM. So this is the one, right? Wrapped NXM price. So VNXM, wrapped NXM. 100 million market cap coin, 80 bucks right now. Yeah, it started over here and pumped up here. This is 2021, so it was in the bull market and just went down, and right now it's going up again. Website. Nexus Mutual, the crypto insurance alternative. Buy cover. I don't know what cover is. Some kind of, you know, blockchain insurance. I don't know, doesn't matter. Gala was breaking the trend, so you can confirm the trend is happening. Oh, it is happening, man. Actually, BTT's token is having some moves in the last months. Yeah, this actually looks good, man. I don't know what this is, but it already did 10x from the bottoms. Now, this last part goes something like this over here, right? If I'm not mistaken. So over here, so we can just gonna look at over here, this part over here. There are a couple of levels of major level of resistance, but over here that had this, you know, box of resistance I need to break. I'm a little bit unsure it's gonna break on this move right now. It came actually to that last month. See here, last month came into the resistance level, and right now it's actually breaking. It actually looks nice. No, this looks very, very bullish. Bullish chart. This is very bullish chart. It is still going towards upside, so you know the trend is your friend until fat, like these things, like we like to say, or like I like to say. I don't know if we like to say that, but it is going towards upside. Right now it's coming to this all-time high towards upside. Let me see, do we have anything else on the chart that might indicate? I mean the RSI is high, but the momentum is going up, so there is nothing wrong with the weekly time frame. The momentum is rising. There is no divergence or anything like that. The monthly is only up at 72. The momentum is rising, getting above the cross. No, this looks actually very good. I don't know what this is, but right now it is the only thing you should know about this coin right now. It is that you know, it did, you know, already a 10x move towards the upside, and right now it's sitting at 100 million up here. So you know, it's gonna do a 100x. You know, sorry, it already did a 10x over here. So if it wants to do another 10x towards the upside up here, that means that it's gonna be a, you know, 1 billion coin. So another move of 10x towards the upside over here, right? So if you go up here, this is 10x, and another 10x move towards the upside up here. It's that to be 100x, right? So that's around 80 bucks or something, 800 bucks or something like that, right? Yeah, give or take. That's so if you want to do, you know, if this is gonna do another 10x up here, That's 900%. Another 10x up here, that will get set it up something like, you know, $800 or something like that. But it does look very, very nice, especially if you look at a monthly time frame up here. You know, came down to this bottom, came on the moving average, start climbing nicely. Right now, pumping up here above. It's hitting these resistance levels, so I think it might just come into some kind of consolidation over here. I'm a little bit unsure about that, but it might hit some kind of consolidation because there are major levels that it actually needs to break. This is a major level of resistance, so we often call for consolidation before these moving averages come up to us a little bit, and then it continues going towards upside, right? But it can also pump above the resistance up here, and then, you know, at some other level it actually might consolidate. Now that said, the way I see it right now, you know, it's gonna be 1 billion coin if it pumps another 10x. You know, it depends on how high this thing can actually go, but you know, Mladen is guys, Mladen is our guy. Mladen is our guy. TF fan stop. So that is that. Now, before I go, because I'm really hungry right now, so I gotta go. So let's just check quickly Gala. I do have some kind of lines on Gala, so you know, I'm just gonna show that. Where is Gala over here? Gala 2.5 up here. There we go. This Gala got some kind of lines up there. Let's go to the daily time frame, weekly time frame first up here. Wait, I'm just clicking too fast up here. Yeah, so Gala up here, it looks to me it's actually breaking through. This is on the weekly time frame. It's even pulling up on the weekly time frame. But if you look at the daily time frame, it's kind of not, but it's kind of is, right? So we're still gonna wait a couple of more days, you know, and Gala might start going as well towards the upside. It does look good though. It does look good. So this channel towards the upside, you know, this rising channel is starting to break over here, and it's already actually closed above it. So technically it is there, but you know, on the daily time frame, it's just trying to consolidate up here because it went up here and Bitcoin pulled everything towards downside. And I think, you know, if they actually can, you know, start closing up here, it might actually continue going. So it does look very good. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna give it stop there. Thank you everybody for stopping by. Thanks everybody for the, you know, to the new members of TF Fans Club. Enjoy the stay, enjoy the green names and the emojis and all of that shebang. Guys, Bitcoin is doing well. Don't get scared, okay? Don't be paper hands. We've been working too hard to not be paper hands at the end, okay? Later. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna go eat. Bye-bye. Enjoy the outro and the music. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.